Hydropower plants rely on turbine impellers that run under heavy flow, erosion, and cavitation. Over time, this wear reduces efficiency, increases vibration, and forces plants into long shutdowns for major overhauls. Our team at FES Engineering Services stepped in with a practical way out. We rebuilt the damaged turbine blades using Loctite polymer coatings and precise repair techniques that restore the original profile of the impeller. The work was carried out in situ, so there was no need for full disassembly or extended downtime. This approach not only brings the impeller back to life, it also boosts service life. Improves performance, and keeps maintenance costs under control. It's a smart, time-saving solution that helps plant teams keep their power output steady and reliable.